Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the mnemonic for the Rickets clinical feature. So the mnemonic is Rickets, as the name indicates. R for the ragged rosary. Next is the I. You can remember the eye of the pigeon chest. Its baby's chest is like pigeon, so it is called the pigeon chest. Next is the C for the cranial tabes. Next is the K for the knock knees. Next is the E for the end of the long bones become wide. Next is the T for the teeth, delayed eruption. In this disease, patient has a delayed eruption of teeth. Next and the last one is S for the frontal boozing, skull frontal boozing, and the delayed of the fontanelles. So this is all about the mnemonic for the Rickets clinical feature, and this is so easy to remember the mnemonic Rickets. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have understand it, please share it with your friends. If you have any questions, you can comment below. You can check out other videos. For more such mnemonics, you can subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.